15 stops before we get to Chester. This is us. One. Two. Clay. Cat. Sunk.
Train is for Chester.
6. 7. 9. Wheat. Actually 9, but I skipped wheat. 10. 11. 12. 14. 15. 16. We made it. Getting low stairs.
Oh yeah. Forgot 30 minutes.
Thank you.
Been to every country in the UK.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. For better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore.
We might have went a little crazy with that.
Put them on your luggage.
Okay. Thank you.
Now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. Wait for our home to show on the horizon. Soon we'll be there. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw,
now we're gonna find a place to sit.
Every dawn. We
practically got this whole entire ferry to ourselves. There's nobody on it.
I'm digging it.
And when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the shore.
We have made it to Dublin. Alright, so we just got off the ferry in Dublin and we're about to see if we can walk to our hotel. The buses weren't free and we're only like a mile and a half, so we're gonna see if we can find it. And we're walking again.
Probably for a while.
We're always walking. Alright, so we might have misjudged how far this walk was gonna be.
Huh?
So we might have misjudged how far this walk was gonna be. It's looking a little complicated by the moment. So this really seemed like a good idea while we were coming off the ferry. Not so much anymore. It did not look this far on Google Maps. Well, I guess a positive note is that was the bus we were gonna take.
We are getting there.
We really underestimated how far this walk was with all this luggage. We have everything that we brought to Europe on our backs and in our hands. I don't know how many miles this is, but it sucks. Well, I think we made it to the end of this barbaric walk.
Well, that was a scenic route.
Yeah.
Alright, we definitely go this.
So I think that's our hotel.
Oh, that.
You get it, Serena. We found it. Oh, thank you.
Looking to check in?
Yes.
Perfect.